Indian teenagers develop award-winning salt-powered mini refrigerator. ThermaVault is a portable refrigerator unit that requires no electricity and was invented by 3 Indian secondary school students, Dhruv Chaudhary, Mitran Latania, and Mridul Jain. Noticing the challenges of carrying medical supplies to rural areas lacking electricity, the teens developed ThermaVault. It operates through salt-based endothermic reactions that absorb heat and are reusable and sustainable. The device achieves a cooling effect by users placing a salt packet into water. When dissolved, it cools the water between 2 and 6 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 hours. The trio's idea was chosen as the Earth Prize 2025 Asia winner in April. The young inventors are using their $12,500 award to build many units and conduct mass testing of their creation at hospitals. Congratulations, Dhruv Chaudhary, Mitran Latania, and Mridul Jain on the award win. May Indian rural residents soon benefit from this invention to maintain good health and happiness in the benevolent love of the divine.